Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. Welcome to my weekly Forex analysis. In this video, I would like to show you my view on the currency pairs I trade the most. Let's begin with the Euro USD. That's the monthly chart. And as you can see on this monthly chart, I've got here we have got here a long trend, and I've got here a channel, and the market was not able to break out of this channel, and this was around February, March, May. So we have a situation where the market was not able to break out of the channel, and it reversed and it's back inside the channel. So this is a quite interesting situation, because this tells you something. Okay, there is something going on in this area. If you zoom in, you can see a engulfing pattern on those two candles here. So the March and April candle. So this is a strong reversal signal on the monthly chart. The next candle, the May candle, was not able to break the lows, and the current candle looks like it may become a green candle. Based on the Elliott waves counts, we had a B, C structure here, and this C wave is most probably completed, okay, at that low. So let's have a look on the weekly chart, and on the weekly chart you can see we have a green candle. We had a green candle last week, so we can expect some long trades setups in the coming week. If I go deeper and check the daily chart, so on the daily chart, this is what I used to show on the daily chart. I had two counts. One of them was saying the fifth wave in this long downward movement was already completed in this area, or there's a fourth wave, and the fifth wave may develop to the downside. But this is less likely now, I think, because it looks like that we have already in 5 waves up a correction, and another 5 waves up are developing. Okay, this downward move, I will show it on a 3 hours chart. So this is this downward move A, B, C to the downside. And now we've got the situation where the market went up again. This looks like a first wave in a diagonal, leading diagonal. This is the 1 and 2. This might be another 1 and 2. And there's the third 1 and 2. And it looks like the market is respecting those lows, okay? And you can see here we have a reversal signal, a reversal pattern around 61.80. Okay, the same situation was here. There was also around 61.80. So a very typical FIBO level for a second wave. So for now, those two highs are very important. Should the market go up, the market needs to break through those highs, okay? And as long it won't happen, I think we should consider this move still as a final fifth wave on the daily chart. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? That would mean that there is an alternative count for this daily chart as in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would be completed. So there was a 4 and a 5, so the 5 will come down here, but this looks like less likely, to be honest, because we have here a 5 waves up. This is a 5 waves up. Okay, this is an ABC correction, and here it looks like the market is already developing a new 5 waves to the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is a 5. This might be an ABC correction. So let me check whether I can place FIBO retracement here. Sometimes, okay, it doesn't work during the weekends. Okay, this is my these are the internal retracements. Okay, so we can check now where the market is likely to react. Okay, will it be here in this area? What would be again a typical area for a second wave retracement? So then you can expect a long trade setup to the upside, and this will be in a line with the weekly candle, which is a green candle. I'll be looking very closely to this because that might be the final downward move in order to break to the upside. Okay, if it won't happen, then you should expect that the market may break that low, and breaking that low means that discount is not valid anymore. If you are a beginner and you have just started trading, or you are just looking for a new know-how, and you are studying the stuff, it's very important to not to trade against the weekly candle. Okay, you have a weekly as a green candle, trade, look for a long trade setup. Is it a red candle? Look for a short trade setup. Okay, so do not trade against the weekly candle. It always helps. Okay, so avoid short trade setups. I may do it because I'm more experienced and I know how to count the waves. So I may find a C wave in an ABC structure, so in an ABC correction, and I may go against the weekly candle, but it's always better for a beginner or someone who is less experienced to trade based on a weekly candle. So look for a long trade setup if it's green, or look for a short trade setup if it's red. Good. Let's go to the Great Britain pound, USD. That's the monthly chart. On the monthly, we had a doji here. Okay, doji means indecision. The market is not sure what to do here. Okay, and this may impact the market, and it's actually the market is behaving like it doesn't know what to do really. Okay, so that's my daily chart, and on my daily chart I'm looking for a first wave to be completed here, and this looks like an ABC structure, and that might look like a new wave to the upside. Let's have a short look on a weekly, just in order to check the weekly as well. 1 second, that's the weekly. Okay, we've got a green candle here. It's a strong green candle. In one of my videos, I've shown a trend following system, which says that in this case, when you have a move from the Bollinger lower band to the Bollinger upper band, you have a correction, and the market may break through this FIBO 100 and keep on climbing, keep on going up to this FIBO 161. Okay, or to the downside, it will be vice versa. Okay, if you are interested, you can check. If you are interested, you can check my know-how section here, and you will find a little bit more about this trend following system, and there are some other videos, know-how videos. So let's go back to this Great Britain pound USD. Okay, we've got a green candle on a weekly chart. There is a nice move on a daily. So let's go deeper to the 3 hours chart. I tend to check the market quite frequently on the 3 hours chart because the market there are chances to find a nice trade setups on the 3 hours chart as well. Okay, so this is an ABC structure. Okay, we've got the channel, the market break out of this channel. Okay, this might be already a first wave up, 1, 2. This might be another wave up. Okay, so there might be an ABC move to the downside in order to break to the upside. Okay, so there is a chance to go long as well. I have placed FIBO levels here as well, so I'll be looking for the reversal somewhere here at this FIBO 50, FIBO 61.80. Okay, and then I will see whether there is a long trade setup or not. We have a break if you check it like that. Okay, so there's a channel. I've connected the beginning of the first wave with the extreme of the second wave and placed the second line at the extreme of the first wave, and you've got a break out of this channel. Okay, so this may suggest that there is a third wave developing, because this is a quite strong move. Okay, and you can see there was a break, the market retested it again and went up again. Okay, so having a ABC structure here, a correction here, may give you an opportunity to go long. Okay, and that move might 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a 5 waves up, and then a correction, another 5 waves up. Okay, so this is what you can expect on a Great Britain pound USD. I trade very frequent on Great Britain pound Japanese yen. That's my weekly chart. Let's have a look on the monthly, just in order to have it checked as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so a first wave, third wave, fourth, and a final fifth wave, which is now probably very soon about to complete. Okay, I've connected the beginning of the first wave with a third wave, with the extreme of the third wave, place it at the fourth wave, and now you can expect the market may complete the move between those two levels, 32.80 and 61.80. This is very, very typical. It happens. Sometimes it happens around FIBO 50, and we are already around that level on this monthly chart. So based on this weekly chart, there is a a hanging man on a weekly chart. Okay, this is a hanging man, or a doji, more like a hanging man. At the same time, you can see here there is a divergence. Okay, you've got a top here, there's a higher high, there's a high, a lower high, so we've got a divergence here as well. And at the same time, you can see there is a harmonic pattern, butterfly pattern developing as well. It's slightly higher than 161.80. It may go much higher to this 261.80. Okay, but let's see what happen, whether the market may complete this move at that level. The answer for that lies on the daily chart and on the 3 hours chart. That's my daily count, and here I'm asking myself whether we are in the fifth wave of the third wave, or this is the final fifth wave which is about to complete. There are also channels placed on this one daily chart, and it looks like the market broke out of this channel, went down a little bit, and broke again. So this says there is still some strength to the upside. Okay, so having that in mind, and analyzing this 3 hours chart, I have to say that there is still a chance that the market may continue this upward move, maybe up to this line, up to this level, just to retest that line again. Okay, this looks like a diagonal, like an ending diagonal. First wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and this might be a final fifth wave, which has the first leg, second wave leg, and the third leg. Okay, all those legs built of a three subwaves. Okay, like threes. ABC, A, B, C, and this could be A, B, and a C wave as well. Okay, that's the 30 minutes chart, and I could imagine that this is an A wave, which is almost already completed. This looks like a diagonal as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth went into the area of the first wave, and this could have been already the final fifth wave. So the market was not able to break through that line to the upside, and if you should connect the second wave with the extreme of the fourth wave, and this looks like like that. Still not having a shape of a typical diagonal, but again, if the market break that low, I'll be still considering, at least alternatively, that there is an A and a B and a final upward move. Okay, to complete the whole structure on a 3 hours chart or on a daily chart, at least on the 3 hours chart, because I think the market may try to test those levels. I have also connected beginning of the first wave with the third wave, places the fourth. This is again this FIBO 61.80 or 32.80, and you can see the market is around FIBO 50. Okay, 61.80 is at around 192.6070. Okay, so this might be an interesting area as well. If you wish, you can follow my daily updates to the trade setups I'm looking for and to the trades I trade or I'll be trading. This is all in English, so I think you can easily find answers for your questions or for the trade setups you are looking for. Thank you for your time. Thank you for looking. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.